went down to that river, washed my sins away. Praying, 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 praying for another day. I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I...
Alright guys, welcome back to another little episode back on the channel. Little midweek mish. I've grabbed my brother-in-law Dale, my nephew Chet and his mate Tanner. Punched it down Australand. We're at Belvedere Campground. We were going to do a beach mish, but there was a bit of a storm, blew it up, so we pulled into the campground at the back, and the boys want to fish, so they're out in the estuary. Chetty's been hounding me to get him on video. He's a bit of an old mate's fan, and he's wanting to get on the video for a while, so I thought I'd bring the camera and we'll throw him on there. Anyway, we'll get into a bit of fishing.
I've got a massive button. My rod was winning. Yeah, by crab.
Alrighty, we've got the main man Chetty here. What are we after today, mate?
Some flatties.
Some flatties, maybe some whiting?
Yeah.
If there is. There's a few
Maybe
crabs
some
around too, isn't there?
Yeah, maybe
Mate,
some
Tanner's already hooked a crab on his line.
Yeah.
Uncle Steve's already out because he's got a bird nest on his reel. That's how I fish.
The best nest is real.
Anyway, we'll keep going. There's a bit of a, if you can see, a bit of a rain cloud in the back there. Hopefully we don't get hit by that. But anyway, the boys are having fun. This is what we came out to do.
Are you on?
Get them out there. Anyway, we'll keep plodding along. Let you know. I'll show you around camp when we get back. Yeah, it's a nice little campground, Belvedere, and we can have a fire tonight between 6 and 10. So we've got some wood there. We're going to get a nice fire cranking. And yeah, we'll go from there. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Alrighty, fishing mission 1. We've canned it. There's let's have a look. See out there? We got about 10 minutes before that's going to hit us. So we're going to quickly run back to camp, make sure everything's under cover and hunker down for a bit. And we'll come back. We'll go from there. We made it just in time, starting to sprinkle. See that coming in. This is camp. Nice little spot, we're tucked down the back corner. Belvedere Campground, I think it's 15 bucks an adult. And $10 or $5 a kid, under 15. Nice big sites. There's a couple here. Fire pits. And yes, we can have a fire. There's Dale in the background there. Sneaky, the boys are in the tent tonight. Looking forward to that? The tent.
Looking forward to the tent.
He says he wants to be on camera, but he's a bit shy. So, you're looking forward to being on the tent?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good times, eh? We'll get a fire cranking?
Yeah.
Yeah, sit around the fire, enjoy it. We'll let this rain pop over, we'll hide under the awning and go from there. Anyway, we'll see you soon.
Keep an eye on that, watching.
Alright, we'll get a little fire going. Boys have been out and collected a bit of wood. See how that goes. Come in here, Chet, I'll show you.
I still have a fire barrier.
Alright, the rain's kicked in. We're hunkering under the awning. We just got the fire lit too. Hopefully it keeps kicking on. Anyway, I'll let you know how we go. Probably see you when we're cooking dinner. Alright guys, dinner time. I'm just going to do a couple of burgers. The boys are doing some hot dogs. Probably wrap it up here. I don't think anything exciting is going to happen, but we'll plan is to get up in the morning and hit the estuary again and try and get some whiting. Had a few bites there, but the rain came in. Anyway, I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. How's the fishing going, Jetty?
Good.
Good? Couple of bites?
Yeah.
Yeah. How'd you like last night camping? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice campfire, eh? Good morning. Alrighty. The weather's actually cleared up a little bit. Still windy as hell. That wind was meant to have dropped off, but it hasn't. Boys had us up at 5:30 before the sun was even up. That came to get fishing. So we're down on the banks. They're just over there baiting up. Caught a couple of blowies. That's about it. But anyway, as long as they're having a good time, that's what it's about. Yeah, we'll just do this and I think probably head back and pack up and start heading home. We've got a few commitments at home we've got to get to. Yeah, it's been a good little overnighter. What we got, Chetty?
Papa.
Bloody blowy. Alright guys, we're just finishing packing up and that's about it. The boys had a bit of a fish this morning. How'd you go?
Really good.
Good. A couple of blowies, a couple of crabs. So they had fun. Enjoyed it. Yeah, we're going to get out of here, so we're going to wrap it up here. Yeah, hope you like this one. This one was for Chet. He's been wanting to get on camera for a while. You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one, eh?
Make sure to subscribe and like.
That's the way. See you guys.